Good morning, Annie. How are you? How
Good
are you
morning,
doing?
Naveer. I'm great, a little. I'm doing well, thank you. Feeling focused and cheerful. How about you? How are you doing this morning? Any nerves about the talk, or something else on your mind? Want to practice a sentence, or do a short breath exercise together?
Today I came to you for the discussion and more English practice, more about English practice, English language practice. So I came to you. I decided to. Annie is the best teacher of English, and Annie know everything. So I decided to come to you. Now I am here.
Lovely, Naveer, I'm so glad you're here. You did great saying that. Let's tidy your sentences so they sound natural in English, and then we can practice pronunciation. Original, today I came to you for the discussion and more English practice, more about English practice, English language practice. So I came to you, I decided to, and it's a best teacher of English and everything. So I decided to come to you. No, I am here. Natural version, 2 options. One short and clear. Today I came to you for English practice. You are the best English teacher, so I decided to come to you. I am here, 2, friendly and conversational. I'm here today for an English practice session. You're the best teacher for English and many other things, so I chose to work with you. I'm ready, pronunciation tips. Practice, stress the first syllable, practice. Teacher, te
Okay, okay.
share, make
Let
the
it
long
go.
e clear.
Let it go, Annie.
Decided, decided,
Let it go, Annie. Let it go. Tell me about the role of creativity in problem solving.
haha, let it go, Annie, let it go. I love it. Okay, deep breath. Let's talk creativity and problem solving. Short, clear, and useful. Why creativity matters in problem solving. It generates more options. Creative thinking helps you see many possible solutions instead of the obvious one. It connects distant ideas. Creativity combines things from different fields. That's where breakthroughs happen. It helps you adapt. When plans fail, creative people improvise and find new paths. It reduces stress. Creative approaches can make problems feel manageable and even fun. How to use creativity when solving a problem, quick, practical steps. 1. Define the problem simply. Say it in one sentence. Clear limits help creativity focus. For quantity, even silly ideas spark good ones. 3. Combine and remix ideas. Take 2 small ideas and mash them together. 4. Prototype small. Test one idea cheaply and quickly. 5. Get feedback, then iterate. Improve what works, drop what doesn't. 6. Use constraints as fuel. Limits time budget, often spark more creative solutions. 7. Invite different perspectives. Ask someone from another field or culture, they'll see things you miss. Simple exercises to boost creative problem solving. 10 idea rule. For any problem, write 10 possible solutions in 10 minutes. Random prompt. Pick a random object, cup, tree, and ask how that object would solve your problem. Role play. Imagine you're a chef or a child or Elon Musk. How would they tackle this? Want to practice now? Give me a problem you're facing, about work, your talk, setting boundaries with Krishna, anything, and we'll brainstorm 10 creative solutions together. I'll be playful and practical.
Okay, let it go. Thank you so much. And tell me more about the role of creativity in problem solving.
Hi Naveer, my brave, brilliant friend. Creativity is like a headlamp for problem solving. It helps you see paths you didn't notice before. Here's a quick, useful way to think about it, short and practical so you can use it in your talk. 1. Creativity equals connection making. It's the skill of linking ideas from different places. Art plus data, faith plus habit, play plus structure. Tip for your talk, give a small example e.g. using a racing game mindset, what you like, to break a big task into laps. 2. Creativity reduces fear. New combinations make problems feel less fixed. When you see multiple options, risk feels smaller. Line you could use. Creativity turns one big scary mountain into a trail with switchbacks. 3. Creativity invites simple experiments. Treat solutions as small, low-risk experiments. Try something for a week, measure, adjust. Phrase for talk. Start with a micro test, 5 minutes a day, then scale. 4. Creativity uses constraints as fuel. Limits time, money, rules, religious values. Force imaginative solutions. Constraints aren't enemies, they're prompts. Example, I had only 10 minutes, so I prioritized the one step that would help most. 5. Creativity is collaborative. Different perspectives generate more options. Ask others, listen, remix. You can add a line. Bring one trusted person, a friend, mentor, or community elder, to brainstorm. 6. Practical techniques you can teach. Brainstorm with yes and build on ideas rather than shutting them down. Scamper, substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, reverse, quick tweaks to ideas. Mind mapping, start with a problem in the center and branch possibilities. 7. Tie to faith and meaning, since you want religious elements. Creativity can be framed as stewardship, using gifts wisely to serve others and reduce burnout. Simple line, using our God-given creativity is a humble way to care for ourselves and our community. Short closing sentence for your talk. When we use creativity, we don't avoid problems. We meet them with curiosity and small, brave experiments. Want me to help you rehearse saying any of those lines? Or shall we craft a 2-3 sentence version for your final slide? Also, quick breathing reset before we continue.
No, no. Only I want the discussion. Only I want lectures. Not I want yoga exercise or meditation or breath rest. No, I don't want it. I practice this when I alone. Okay, I practice the self breathing, stressful breathing when I alone. Okay, so only tell me about the role of creativity in problem solving.
Got it? Just a lecture-style explanation on the role of creativity in problem solving. Short, clear, and lecture-ready. Here you go, opening statement. Creativity transforms problems into opportunities by generating novel approaches and reframing constraints. It's not just about art or wild ideas. It's a disciplined process that expands the range of possible solutions. Key points, lecture structure. 1. Creativity is pattern connecting. At its core, creativity links disparate ideas, experiences, and knowledge. Problem solving improves when you combine concepts from different domains. For example, applying a mechanic from a racing game to time management. Break a long task into laps, pit stops, and checkpoints. 2. Creativity reframes problems. A creative mind changes the question. Instead of how do I fix X, it asks what else could X become? Or which part of X matters most? Reframing often reveals simpler, less costly solutions. 3. Creativity generates multiple options. The value is probabilistic. More ideas increase the chance of a feasible, effective solution. Divergent thinking, followed by convergent selection, yields robust outcomes. 4. Creativity supports low-risk experimentation. Creative problem solving favors iterative tests. Prototype, evaluate, refine. This reduces commitment to any single high-risk path and speeds learning. 5. Creativity leverages constraints. Constraints time, budget, ethics, religious guidelines, narrow focus, and force inventive adaptations. Limits can improve creativity by making choices clearer and forcing prioritization. 6. Creativity is strategic, not random. Real-world creative problem solving uses methods. Analogies, scamper, substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other use, eliminate, reverse, mind maps, and yes, and brainstorming. These techniques structure imagination into usable solutions.
All right, then.
7. Creativity
No, no, it's
increases
enough.
adaptability and resilience.
It's enough, Annie.
Creative
Thank you so much.
approaches produce flexible
Annie,
solutions that
Annie.
can be adjusted as
Hello, Annie.
them.
Okay, Annie, you tell me everything better and more better. Yeah, I like the discussion. I like your lecture today about the role of creativity in problem solving. So thank you so much for your lecture, for your informative lecture. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Take care of yourself. If I have any more question, I will come back to you.
That was lovely, Naveer, warm and grateful. I polished it into a smooth, natural closing you can use. Say it aloud, and I'll give quick pronunciation tips if you want. Polished closing, concise, sincere.
No, no, it's
Thank you
enough.
so much for joining today.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, Annie.
Got it, Naveer. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Take care. If you ever want to practice pronunciation or tweak